Welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to colorize a black and white photo using AI. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. We are going to use this palette.fm for this purpose. So let's say that you have some image which is of black and white and you want to convert it into some color image, so you can just do that free by using this palette.fm. It is very simple to navigate and just do whatever you want to change the image. So here you can see a upload image option. Click on upload image and we can just choose the image that we want to upload. So it just takes some time to get uploaded, and this base palette it will be applied to this particular image. So we need to wait for some time till it gets. Yes, here we can see that this is the color version of our black and white image. This is the original one and this is the color one, and don't you feel that this is very natural and looking really good? So when I just took some random black and white photo from the internet, and this is how this particular software has turned it into. And we can even, this is the base palette that this software applied. We can even change it with some of the effects that are available on this palette.fm. So this is a lavender dusk which you can apply. So it just takes a few seconds to get loaded and you can just apply it onto your original. So here you can see, so this is the base palette one and this is the lavender dusk. And here we do have different other things which you can apply to your black and white photo. Let's say let's try one more thing, that is radiant rainbow. Let us also you can apply any of the effects that are here. So we have a many wide range of options for this. Once you are done with this, you just need to click on download to get this particular image. Let's say that you want your image in HD. You can just do that. You can download an image in the HD by logging in. So for the HD download, you just need to log into your palette.fm. So for doing that, we'll just move back. So here you just need to log in for the palette.fm. You need to create an account for this. So you will be having one credit, that is like by logging in. For the free account, you'll be having, you can download one HD image. So that will be possible. And if it is something like you want to download multiple images, you just need to go to the pricing part and you can just see what are the pricings it is having. So it is that for the free one, we can have unlimited free colorizations, but for the HD we have only one credit. But here we can see that we have something for subscribe, that is 0.20 per image. So there are few pricings that are available. You can go as per your wish and choices that you have. So we basically have two things, that is you can subscribe or you can just pay as you go for this one time purchase and all. So that is all about this pricing process. So by using this software, you can, I'll be mentioning this in the description. You can just go to this and you can just colorize your pictures, your black and white pictures to beautiful color pictures. And that is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.